In this tutorial, I'm going to take you through FiLMiC Pro support for Western Digital's My Passport wireless devices, which allows you to automatically back up your footage wirelessly to your WD drive as soon as you enter recording, or manually back up your FiLMiC library after a shoot. To begin with, you'll want to download the My Cloud app by Western Digital to your smartphone, so you can configure your My Passport Wireless Pro or My Passport Wireless SSD. Next, power on your My Passport wireless device and under your phone's settings menu, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings panel and tap to connect to your drive. If this is the first time connecting to your My Passport wireless network, you'll need to enter the password that's printed on the front of your drive. Once connected, launch the My Cloud app. Now, if this is the first time you've opened the app, accept the terms and conditions and then tap on Storage. This will show you all files and folders on your My Passport Wireless Pro or My Passport Wireless SSD if you have any. Let's start by creating a new folder that we want to archive our footage to from FiLMiC Pro by tapping the three dots in the upper right, then New Folder. Give it a name and tap Return to accept. Now that we have a folder created, switch over to FiLMiC Pro. Open Settings, then Device, and tap Archive Target. This will allow you to navigate through your WD drive, then tap to select the folder that you want to archive to, and tap Select Folder to confirm your selection. Now that our archive location is specified, we have the option to enable automatically archive footage. With this turned on, so long as you're connected to your My Passport wireless device over Wi-Fi whilst recording, as soon as you end a recording, your clip will be automatically backed up. Let's look at this in action. With automatically archive footage enabled, I'll tap twice outside of the menu to close it and start a recording. As soon as I stop it, the archive is initiated and the clip is written to the drive. You can tap to open the FiLMiC library to check its progress. If you're not connected to your WD My Passport wireless drive and you have auto archive enabled, your clips will just be queued up, and the next time you connect to your passport and relaunch FiLMiC Pro, a batch archive will begin. Of course, you might not want to be wirelessly connected to your My Passport wireless drive during a shoot, as this does increase the processing load on your device and can deplete the battery faster than it would otherwise. So if you just want to use the WD Passport at the end of a shoot to back up your library, start by opening Settings, Device, and disable Auto Archive. Now you can continue to shoot as normal and your files will not be automatically queued. When you've finished your shoot, just connect to a WD My Passport wireless drive and then tap to open the FiLMiC library and tap the archive icon on each clip you want to archive and it will add them to the queue. Well, I hope this tutorial helped you get the most out of your WD My Passport wireless drive and its integration with FiLMiC Pro. If you have any questions at all, feel free to ask them in the comments below, and as always, thanks for watching.